This critter right here is known as Fratercula arctica, better known as the Atlantic puffin, the sea parrot, the clown of the sea, or the common puffin. It is a species of seabird in the auk family, and along with the tufted puffin and the horned puffin, make up the genus Fratercula. It is the only puffin native to the Atlantic Ocean, with breeding colonies present in Canada, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Greenland, Russia, Maine, Scotland, France, and the Faroe Islands. Like many seabirds, the Atlantic puffin spends most of the year in the open ocean, feeding upon fish, crustaceans, mollusks, and polychaete worms, only really visiting islands on continental coastlines to breed. When fishing, it swims by using its semi-extended wings as paddles to fly through the water, and its feet acting as a rudder, allowing the birds to reach both considerable depths and speeds. Atlantic puffins are themselves preyed upon by seals and sea lions, large predatory fish, cetaceans, polar bears, and especially birds, such as the great black-backed gull and great ska. Measuring some 10 to 12 inches or 25.4 to 30.5 centimeters in length, 8 inches or 20.3 centimeters tall, and around 1 pound or 0.45 kilograms in weight, and sporting a 19 to 25 inch or 48.3 to 63.5 centimeter wingspan, the Atlantic puffin is a sturdily built animal with a thick-set neck, short wings, and small tail. It sports a black crown and back, pale green cheek patches, and white underparts. This is in sharp contrast to its distinctive red, orange, yellow, and black beak, which glows vibrantly under black light. Both the short legs and large webbed feet are bright orange, contrasted with the sharp black claws. Spending the autumn and winter in the open ocean of the cold northern seas, the Atlantic puffin returns to coastal areas at the start of the breeding season in late spring. Monogamous mated pairs nest in cliff-top colonies, digging and maintaining expansive burrows, in which females will lay a single white egg, which is incubated in shifts by both parents for a period of 39 to 45 days. Chicks mostly feed on whole fish and grow rapidly, and after around 6 weeks they are fully fledged and make their way at night to the sea. Atlantic puffins reach temperature around 4 to 5 years of age and live upwards of 30 years under ideal conditions.